To check your account balance with American Bank and Trust, you can follow these straightforward steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Visit the website. Open your web browser and go to the official American Bank and Trust website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Log into your accounts. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Navigate to Account Summary. Once logged in, find the Account Summary or Dashboard section. This area typically displays an overview of your accounts and balances. Step 4. Select your account. Click on the specific account you wish to check. This will take you to a detailed view of the account, including the current balance. Step 5. Log out securely. After checking your balance, make sure to log out of your account to protect your personal information. Look for the logout option, usually located in the upper right corner. By following these steps, you can easily check your account balance with American Bank and Trust. Always ensure you are using secure connections when accessing your banking information.